Hi guys, and welcome back to Phil's Drone Zone. Today we're going to be taking a look at the very strange world of the humble Dronie. A drone shot which is not my favorite drone shot, but we'll try and give you some ideas on how you can make it look just a little bit more appealing if you need to use it. The Dronie is a selfie shot for drones. Its prime function, therefore, is to create short videos which begin by focusing on you or a group of people you are with, and finishes on a view of the landscapes in the area that you are in. Primarily, it was used to upload to social media platforms. Therefore, for me, it doesn't really fit into a drone video. In fact, neither of the straight shots, rocket or drone, really fit into a drone video. However, the Dronie can be used as a good end piece to a video you're working on, in that it reveals the total area in which you have just been filming. And the reveal motion, or the reverse motion, suggests leaving an area or, for me, end of video. I'm now seeing the Dronie shot used in a lot of video, in all sorts of sections of the video, beginning, middle and end. But for me, there are two problems with using the Dronie in a video. Firstly, I see it at the moment being used in its raw form, with no work done at all in post. And for me, a Dronie shot is far too long and needs to have some work done in post. And then secondly, what most people turn to is the speed ramp. Now the problem with this is that once you've learned how to do the speed ramp, you tend to use it again and again and again and again, and your videos start to become a little bit predictable, and that can be a big turn off to viewers. And so you need some other things in order to make your videos a little bit more varied, a little bit more appealing. So here's a few ideas which I've used on the rare occasions that I have used a Dronie to finish a video. These effects are really straightforward to do, but the first one, which uses the smooth zoom out transition, this is not included in the Final Cut Pro pre-loaded transitions, but I have made previously both a smooth zoom out and a smooth zoom in, which you can download for free, and I'll leave the link to that in the description below. So the first one, the smooth zoom out transition, is a very simple one to do. Just find the place where you want the effect to start and blade it. I'm going to slow down the first clip to about 75%. Then find where you want the effect to end, and then just delete the middle piece. Then find the smooth zoom out transition and just pop it in. And that's it, you're done. And you have that really nice, very smooth zoom transition from one point to another. And yeah, I'm just going to trim the end to make that just a bit nicer. The fake vertigo effect is also a very simple effect to achieve. Once you've resized and retimed your video to the speed and size that you want, all you have to do is find your first frame. Once you've found the first frame, scale that to 100%, keyframe it at 100% on the scale. And then find the last frame, and you're just going to up the scale to 140%, 130, 140%. Then you got this nice fake vertigo effect. As the camera pans back, you're zooming in on what you're filming. It's kind of a weird effect in that it works sometimes, but sometimes it doesn't work. Depends on the clip that you're using. If it doesn't work, then the Ken Burns definitely will work. It's a very underused effect, this, and can be used in all sorts of situations. So I'd just suggest having a play with the Ken Burns. So highlight the clip, go to crop, and then highlight Ken Burns, and place the window, the final frame window, wherever you want on the screen. And Ken Burns will move to frame that particular area. Don't overdo the scaling, because you might lose some of the pixelation, especially if you're working in 1080p. So and that's it, you just finished, and that will create the vertigo effect. Plus it will change the focus, which I think really makes for a nice end to a video. So that's cool. And for the final effect that I suggested, as you can see, I've got the clip stretched out, and I've got the audio clip marked where the beat of the music is, where I need to apply the effect. And this is very straightforward. You're just going to cut, but first I'm going to scale the clip up to 130 before I make any cuts. Okay, and then I'm going to find the first of my markers, and I'm just going to jump back 2 frames. I'll blade it there, and then jump back 1 frame past the marker and blade it again. And I will repeat that at the second marker. Back 2 frames, and I'll blade it, and then go forward 1 frame past the marker and blade it again. And I will continue doing that until all the markers have been done in the same way. I'm only going to do 4 for the sake of this demonstration. So once you have created those segments, then the first one I'm just going to, on the X position parameter, I'm going to put it to -200. The second one I'm going to put at 200, and then I'm going to -200 for the third one, and 200 for the fourth one, etc., etc., until they're all done. And that creates that jump type effect on the beat of the music, which is really effective if you take care and do it properly. Okay, I hope some of you found that useful and informative. And don't forget to like and comment, and hit that subscribe button and click that bell. These things help keep me motivated for making more videos. Don't forget, you can download the smooth zoom in and zoom out transitions, and I've posted the link for that in the description below. And all that remains to be said now is see you in the next video.